had a breast reduction in 2021, so I went from a size 30J to I think I'm a 32E now.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. What the fuck?
Wow, so.
Yeah, I don't give a fuck, okay? You want me to feel bad for not finishing my food and wasting it? I'm gonna tell you how it is. I don't give a fuck. Boom. I told you. I don't care, okay? About doing it and your opinion. I don't care. Holy fuck. I have nothing. Dude, why did you be so mad about this shit? It's insane.
We have some stores that we can go to though, and you know we'll be fine. We'll still be fine. And I have Cutie Cinderella's thing after. So are you going to that?
I was not invited, so I'm not gonna show up.
You were not invited? There's no fucking way you were not invited.
Okay, open Discord. Don't say anything. Don't react. I'll say something.
Okay, you're okay.
Okay,
you don't even have to type it. I already am guessing. Okay. Anyway, let's continue. Let's continue. What the fuck were we talking about? So we are gonna go to
So sometimes, like, obviously, like, you know, Miz or XQC or Soda or somebody will, like, go around and look on Twitch to see what everybody else is doing. And so XQC opened up my stream a bit ago whenever I was watching this. And obviously, like, his viewers, whenever they see him do that, they will type his name in my chat. And I usually try to ignore it because sometimes it can be annoying, and I think it annoys those streamers too. I don't mind people watching my stream. That's totally fine. But I usually ignore it. My dad just called me to tell me that he was watching my stream and Hassan's stream and XQC's stream, and that XQC was watching my stream.
Yeah, guys, this is me, Aspen Gold, guys.
Hello, teammates.
This guy's on Genji, so he probably lost.
How are you, teammate?
I'm good. I'm gonna play Junkrat. Is that okay?
Yeah, you can play Junkrat. It's fine.
Remember when you had a bowl
Okay,
cut?
thank you.
Yes. You didn't want to be the only one.
I never had one.
Hey, Leech.
I believe I have pictures.
Yeah.
I went out this one time with the car, and I'm at the mall, and I pull out. Yeah, I mean I can, but whatever. I pull out, and this mom comes up, and she's like, "Oh, my son would really like a picture." And this lady, okay, she is fucking, dude, she is hot. Like, she's got like BBL, she's got her tits done. She's looking like a fucking supermodel, man. Bro, I was bricked up, man.
Angry French people, but the French are always, well, let me rephrase that. The Parisians are always angry. Sorry? Passport? Yes. For what? Who are you? Huh? What? Who are you?
You want authorization?
Authorization for what?
For the police. Your passport.
I don't have passport. Who are you guys? Who are you guys?
The police.
Are you the police?
Police, yes.
Do you have police badge?
Yes.
The police are right there.
Police. Your passport.
I don't have my passport.
What's your nationality?
USA.
USA.
Why?
Passport. American. Passport.
Okay, we can go to the police right there that actually says police. You want to go there?
So, Ludwig, it's really difficult to land with one engine.
What?
Yeah.
Why can't you just cut them both?
Well, then,
Like a
then
bird.
you don't have any engines.
Yeah, but it doesn't matter because we're landing. You don't want to go fast.
Well, yeah, but you need. What if you need to go around or something?
What do you mean?
Like, what if you miss the approach?
Let's just do a dry landing.
What is it?
Cut the engine.
Ludwig, I will tell you that will not be a good idea. That will not be.
Can I ask air traffic control? Maybe they think it's a good idea.
Ask them and see what they say.
Air traffic control. This is Air Show 202. Requesting no engine landing.
That was.
Air Show 202. Are you out of your freaking mind?
Got me.
See what I mean?
Yeah. He hurt my feelings.
Yeah.
A lot. So.
Exactly. Well, I mean.
Break. Who has Suarez?
Okay, it's a
I believe he's deep past where we are right now. Alright, 7-4.
Okay, the room at the bottom of the stairs is clear. There's another
behind
doorway.
you.
Okay, pushing through the next doorway.
Be real. Once you're inside, I'll watch you on a 6 just in case they flunk us from the main garage doors, okay?
Okay, there's a huge tunnel down here. Starting to push down the tunnel.
Yeah, this is math.
나이스 하겠다! 가자 16강! 대한민국! 대한민국! 워소 스테이션! 그렇지! 무리하지 말고 슈팅으로 이어가려고 하지 말고 굳이! 지금 수비수들이 손흥민 선수가 계속 슛을 때리니까 45분 후반 45분까지 각일이 된 거야. 각일이 된 거야. 슛을 때릴 거라는 그게 수비수들이 스탠스가 각인이 된 거야. 근데 거기서 패스를 넣어주니까 완전히 프리 찬스 황희차 씨바 오프더볼 이거지. 업사이드 이런 거 아니지? 골 맞지? 와 은메페.
카톡 죽었다. 그 대한민국 16강 가자.
Okay, so
You guys need to
So like
also
after these
on the nail
rooms
gun?
that we're looking
I
at
don't
right
think
now,
so.
there's,
Listen,
you take another turn to the
I
left,
might be this
and there's
team's
a
leader,
massive
but the
tunnel.
true heart of this team and the main character of this movie
So
is
we're going
actually
straight. We're in
Harley
the
Quinn.
first room right now.
So why don't you give us a speech?
Okay, so there's an L-shaped room. You can guys can all move
That's
down.
right.
to
That's
the
right.
L-shaped room. There's a
Squad's
door.
going
We're
in,
watching the door.
Mr. J, and we're gonna get the kills and we're gonna get the
Caitlin,
stuff.
You watch the door.
I'm
I'll
killer
have the camera.
fast.
Get down into this room.
Lord
There's a
have
little
mercy.
gray
Where do you
door, and
need
when
us,
go through
Mr.
the gray
B?
door, you're gonna see a big tunnel that goes deep into the ground.
Are you Harley Quinn? Yeah. Oh.
Look,
I'm Deadshot.
I'm
sexy.
Okay, Winston, are you able to take...
I mean, when I received this as a gift, they said that's a glass. But that's not actually. Wait, I thought it's a glass. Wait, it's not gonna break!
Tommy Bahama
Oh, I do
shirt?
have some.
Oh no! Wow, innocent
I
bread.
have
Well,
some-
either
I have
way,
some text I
I am
gotta
very
read.
happy for. That's great. I'm very happy for you. Honestly, I want nothing but the best from you. But when it comes to me within your department, I'm going to be completely strictly professional with you because you have burned the lines for months and now you've humiliated me. So
How did I
welcome to reality,
humiliate you?
Pred.
I'm confused. I don't understand how I humiliated
You said I was the love of your life, and then
You
fucking
are!
girlfriend.
And then you
oh,
told-
Fuck off! You don't know what the meaning is.
What do you mean? You told me you didn't want to be with me.
I literally said be normal with me, you dumb fuck.
I've proposed to you like 20 times.
That's not normal.
I feel like it is.
No, it's not. What is wrong with you? That's not normal.
I don't know. I don't know what normal is. I'm trying.
Oh, and that's my problem, is it, Brett? That's my fucking problem, is it? Oh, again, another thing that comes to the journey because you're unable to process your own emotions. No.
Hey, listen up, y'all, and I'll tell you the message. Hutch said that when we robbed the bank with y'all for shooting them girls to leave y'all for the cops, haha, get hutched.
Oh.
Yeah. So here what I'm gonna need, dog. I'm gonna need.
What are you gonna need?
4 hostages now. That's the job, yo.
Nah, you good. You good,
I have
bro.
to do
You
the
good.
job.
Yeah,
All right, who got the keys to the orange car, yo?
Are you leaving now? You can let us know when you're about to leave.
I think you're just trying to get the keys, dog.
Yeah, who got the keys?
Oh, shit, my bad.
yeah.
Sorry. I'm in a world of my own, bro. My bad, brother.
It's all good. All right, hey Mac, walk the hostage out and get into the blue car.
Hey, come on, dog. Come on, yo. The motherfucking hostages, yo. Come on.
That is so awesome. I'm so glad that